Today we're going to show you guys our new flush mount platform for Savant edge panels. What you have to first do is you have to remove the little security screw that sits right here on the bottom. The reasons we do that is because Savant itself has a little mounting bracket, and then the device actually hangs on the bracket. So to center it in, you got to remove the locking screw because you're not going to be using that anymore. So on a SeeLess platform, which this is the Savant version, a little bit bigger, we're showing it here with the C4. This gets mounted into the wall. SeeLess actually has a 2 gangrene that actually gets mounted up front. Once it's installed, this is what you see from the front. This gets installed into the wall like that. You'll be mounting your ring onto the SeeLess ring as such. See here, mounts onto here. There's an arrow that points up. The reason this is important is this hanger right here. So once you put it in and you wire through, you're able to now hang your Savant device into the SeeLess mount. Once it's in SeeLess, you gotta lift it up and then pull it forward, which gives you this effect with the device. So the play that you have here is to remove the device out. Once you hang it, it sits in place perfectly centered.